Hey, Allison here from Learning at the Primary Pond. In this quick video, I am going to show you how to use the virtual or digital manipulatives, which are free. So you will use Boom Learning to access this resource, and then you'll see different cards in this virtual deck. So you've got your magnetic letters, you've got numbers and math symbols, you've got counters, base 10 blocks, and then some more complicated base 10 blocks. So what you can do is you can use this as a teacher to make screen recordings for students, but you can also have the kids use these. So for example, let's say you want to model on a very basic level, like how to spell the CVC word mat. So you might say the sounds at. And then you might say, if the kids were doing it along with you and they were accessing this, you might say, okay, friends, I want you to make the word mat with your magnetic letters. Now pause this video. So you would pause it, or they would pause it rather. You would keep going on the video, and then once they repaused, you would show how you drag your magnetic letters down here to make the word. They would check their work, and then they could put the magnetic letters back and start again. So it basically works just like you would if you were having them make words in person. The only difference is you would give them the word, have them pause the video, and then you would show them how to make the word. So that's one example for this, and you can do this with more complex words as well. With the numbers, really the possibilities are endless here. Like you might do simple number sense, or even like basic math problems, totally up to you how you use that. Then these are counters. So with younger students, you might say, okay, I want you to show me what 3 red counters looks like, right? So pull down 3 red counters, you'd have them pause the video, they would show you or do it on their own little set of this, they would show 3, and then you might give them word problems like, okay, show 3 to represent 3 flowers. I pick one of the flowers, how many do I have left? So you can have them do little word problems just like you would if you were teaching in person. Again, you just give them the problem or whatever you want them to solve, pause or have them pause the video. You don't actually pause your video, and then you continue and you show them how to solve the problem, and then they can check their work. Also included are some base 10 blocks. We have this less complicated version, and then we have some with the hundreds blocks, but really you can do anything that you want here. You might say, show me this number, or what you could do is you could have a number for students to make. You could pull some digits over here, say pause the video, show me this number. Obviously this one is too high for the blocks that are here, but you could do that with these blocks. So there's lots of ways to use this. Probably the best way is to be showing stuff on your screen, like in a video that kids can watch anytime, and then the kids are doing it on their own. You're having them pause the video, then they check their work. And then another option is if you're doing some kind of live streaming video with them for remote learning, you can be doing it and they can also be doing it at the same time. So I hope this freebie is helpful to you.